Oh, hey, hi. Have you been to the Review Shop lately in the Brentwood Center? Well, believe it or not, they're celebrating their 19th year here with over 5,000 square feet of gorgeous shoes, handbags, accessories, and clothes galore. If you like designer brands, then you have to come to the Review Shop. There's new things in the store almost daily, which gives the customer a variety of items to choose from. And ask them about their VIP card. That entitles you to $10 off every $100 purchased. So you just keep saving. Oh, it is definitely Christmas time at Provence. Aren't these beautiful? If you're looking for antiques, china, keepsakes, baby gifts, well, just about anything, go to Provence. They've got Christmas by the handle. Ooh. We're here at Nancy Rose. You know, Nancy Rose specializes in fine European bed linens and home decor for luxurious interiors. They have an award-winning design staff, too, that will assist you with everything from furniture, art, and drapes to accessories. Nancy Rose is the best place to find exclusive designer linens, those one-of-a-kind gift items. And they have the largest inventory of lingerie and loungewear, as well as bath and body products. The motto here is pampering at its finest.